Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to tag a Facebook page in a Facebook post. So here I am on my Facebook page profile. So it doesn't matter that if you are on your Facebook page profile or if you are on your actual Facebook profile. So what you're gonna have to do, you just have to click on this words on your mind and you have to type any post. So for example, I type here this PUBG is a great game. And now if I want to tag the page of this game like PUBG, so what I will do here, I will first enter this at the rate sign, and then I will just type the name of the game, like the name of the page, PUBG Mobile, and here I will just tap on the first page. And now as you can see that this page has been tagged in my post, so I will just click on next, and I will just click on post. So now as you can see that this page has been tagged in my post. So if I now just click on this page here, it will redirect to me to this page. So that's how you can tag a Facebook page in a Facebook post. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.